You know, fishing on the west coast of Canada is pretty special. It's an annual trip for my wife and I. Every year we go out and we have one deep freeze dedicated to salmon, halibut, lingcod, snapper, all the rest of it. What we like to do, High Mountain products are so easy to use. The Alaskan salmon brine mix, we brine up some beautiful salmon. Smoke it either on the Smoke Pro or the Smoke Vault, depending on how many pieces we're doing, how much we want. This recipe is super easy. You take the smoked salmon and equal portions of soft cream cheese, and we're just going to blend them together. We're just going to break this up. And I like to add a little bit of, even though this is a rub, I use it as a seasoning. It's the High Mountain garlic pepper. We're going to add a little bit of that, season it up, and then we're just going to blend this together. And what you end up with is a beautiful filling that we can put in wonton wrappers and deep fry. This is a super quick hors d'oeuvre, and what happens is it often ends up as a meal because you make a pile of them and you don't want to eat anything else. We've got some wonton wrappers out here. You can get them in your local grocery stores, real easy to get. We just take about a teaspoon and put it in the center and fill up these wonton wrappers pretty quick and easy. We've already taken an egg and beaten it up, and all I do is you can take a brush or a finger. I got clean hands today, so just wet that. These fold over, but it's really important you get the air out. If not, when you put them in the oil, they'll bubble up. So squeeze all the air out. There is your smoked salmon wonton. How easy is that? So we spend a whole 60 seconds whipping up some wontons here, and we're just going to put them in some hot oil. I love the cast iron. It holds the heat extremely well. You just drop these in, you can see them bubbling. They're going to get nice golden brown. That salmon and cheese mixture is going to be nice and creamy and hot and flavorful. All right, even in the wilds of Canada, you can have some hot wontons, fresh from the coast, with your favorite dipping sauce. You better make an extra batch because I'm telling you right now that one is never enough.